Biotechnology and Bioinformatics, year 2022. Dr. P.
'Some part of the country or some part of the